Westlake parents, I'm Diane Hustlin, your principal. I'd like to welcome you to our first in-person open house that we've had since 2019. It's a wonderful opportunity for you to meet your students' teachers and to get to know what your child's going to be learning this year. Come in.
Sorry to interrupt, Miss Hustlin.
Oh, that's Miss Perez-Picconi, our ASB AP.
I just wanted to let you know, please remind the parents that HOCO tickets are now on sale. We're so excited. It's going to be at SeaWorld. Juniors and seniors can get a discount by getting their Blue Crew card. Have them stop by the ASB ASAP.
Thank you. And we also have some wonderful news and events about parent involvement.
Miss Hustlin.
Oh, it's Miss Santana, our assistant principal.
Don't forget the parent involvement table. Remind them. We need to get SSC members. We need to make sure we fill out those lunch applications. We need to tell them about tutoring. So much to talk about.
And parents, besides our usual tutoring...
Sorry to interrupt, Miss Hustlin.
Oh, that's Mr. Garnica, another one of our office APs.
Remind the parents about the math tutors that we have from Hey Tutor coming to help us with the IM1 and IM2 classes.
Thank you.
Miss Hustlin.
Oh, Miss Candelario, our last AP.
Had to remind you. Remind the parents that PSAT is coming up. It's in October. These students can register online for this test, and we hope they have awesome scores, okay? Let them know.
Thank you. So parents, you're going to learn a lot today, and please seek one of us out if you have any questions. We hope you enjoy your visit and have a wonderful evening.